Hi, I'm Scott, your Get Setup Guide. In the age of smartphones, we all at one point or another are going to end up taking a selfie, a picture of ourselves, like I just did. If for no other reason, we may need a selfie for our Facebook or Instagram profile, but we may also want to show our friends a new haircut, or we just want to capture a memorable moment. Well, it turns out there's a bit of science behind the selfie. There are studies that reveal the best angles, poses, and expressions you should bear in mind if you want to snap a flattering picture of yourself. In this class, I'll discuss the best backgrounds and settings for a selfie and how to best position your head and body for the shot. We'll even talk about the best time of day to take selfies outside. And we'll learn about selfie sticks and other accessories that allow you to capture more people and more scenery into your selfies. And finally, I'll discuss some simple tweaks and enhancements you can make to your selfie before you share it online. So join this class, get connected, and learn how to create awesome selfies.